Hello and welcome back to the HTML and CSS for Beginners tutorial, and today I'll be telling you about font weight and font style. Now, first I wanted to apologize for not actually uploading a video for a week now. It's because school is starting to end, which means there are a lot of tests and finals and all that are coming up this week too. So I probably will try and make as many videos as I can before I have to take the end of the year finals and stuff like that. But anyway, on to the CSS. So right here I just have a basic HTML document with a H1 tag that says this is going to be italic and a P tag that says this is going to be bold. So we all know that you can actually change things to be bold and italic in HTML, but the plus side of doing it in CSS is that you can actually change it to be more bold and less bold and things like that. So I'll show you how to do that, and let's get started. So open up your style sheet. Mine's in here, and I'm just going to target my H1 tag, and I'm going to do the font dash style first. Font style. Whoops. Well, let's try this again. Font dash style. There we go. And I'm going to actually set this to italic. Now, I'm not making the H1 bold because obviously H1 tags are already bold. Now, if I refresh this, you'll see that our H1 is actually italic, and we did that through CSS. But you also can make things oblique too. So you just want to replace the italic with oblique. And then if you refresh, then you'll see this is kind of like a less italic kind of style that we have going on here. So that is font style, how you change things from italic to oblique. But there's also one more value, and that is normal. So what normal is it's just like normal text right here. So say you did something in HTML to make things italic, I could actually switch it back to normal, and it will kind of override that italic effect that we have going on. So I'm going to change this back to italic, and now I'm going to go under here and I'm actually going to target the P tag. So there are many ways that you can actually make things bolder, less bolder, things like that in the font weight. So I'm just going to create that. I'm going to do font weight. Now, right now I can actually set it to bold, and if I refresh, then this is italic like I made it before, but now this is bold. So basically, say we want it to be a little bit more bold than it is right now. Actually, you can set it to bolder. So then if I refresh, it doesn't look very different, but it is indeed bolder. So I could also change it to lighter too. So lighter is a thing here. Now if I refresh this, you'll see it looks kind of normal, but it's actually a little bit lighter than normal is. And just like the font style, we can change it to normal right here. So it'll go right back to normal, and it doesn't look very different at all, but I'm sure it will look a little different with different effects onto it. But anyway, there is one more way you can do this, and it's actually with a number. So these number values that you want to do are 100 through 900, but it only goes by 100. So it would be 100, 200, 300, 400, and etc. all the way up to 900. Now, things to keep in mind: 400 is the same as normal. So if you were going to do something like this, you might as well just type in normal. And 700 is the same as bold. So say I wanted my text to be bold, I would change that to 700, refresh, and this is what bold's going to look like. But I could actually change this to 900, and it may not look it may look a little different to you, but to me it doesn't look too different. This is actually going to be bolder than what bold is. Now 400 is normal, so if I type in 400, you'll see that it goes back to normal. But what if I put it at 100? Refresh this, It doesn't look any different, but I'm sure it is indeed getting lighter than it was. So this is how to use the font weight to change it to be bolder or lighter, and also how to use font style to change things to make them italicized or oblique. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, put them in the comments and I'll answer them for you. And I will see you guys in the next one.